That's kind of a perfect fit. And now you just have to build the rest of the car to match.
Can't believe this is happening.
Yeah! What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Staff Inspection. Today, we're gonna be working on the 1992 Chevy Corvette C4. Now, in the first episode, we made some door panels, but today what we're gonna do is focus on basic maintenance to get this thing running and reliable so I can drive it around, make it California legal. So we're gonna change out the fuel filter, the fuel pump, the oil filter, the oil, the transmission filter, and all the tranny fluid. I'm gonna push this thing in the shop. We're gonna get on the lift. And the first thing that I wanna do is change the valve covers and also swap out the exhaust. Today, we got a lot of people working in the shop. It's gonna be loud. It's the weekend. So we gotta get to it. I got Jose in here. He's gonna help me out. We're still waiting on the water pump and a few other things to get delivered.
So basically, we're kind of taking whatever is gonna keep the car still running and not get into a project where we're gonna like take out the whole front end and then all of a sudden you're gonna end up with a car that we can't move.
So yeah, we got these valve covers we're gonna put on. We got the exhaust we're gonna put on, but I also had a radiator come in.
Yeah, so the radiator looks like, if you can see right there, I mean, it looks like there's a lot of stuff we gotta take off. So I wanna say when we get to the radiator, we might as well get to the water pump, we might as well get to the belt, and anything that's right around this area, we might as well just get it all done all at once.
Valve covers, exhaust. Let's get to it. So look how loose this is. I don't even need a drive, dude. I can just do this by hand. One side is out.
I mean, you look at it, for being how old this car is, it's clean.
All right, so we got the valve covers off, and we realized that
They don't fit.
they don't fit. May have ordered the wrong size, so looking into the Holley instructions. This is for a ZZ4, ZZ6 Vortex. So, plan B, what we're gonna do, we're gonna sandblast these ones down and then clean them all up and paint them so they'll look cool.
Yeah, they'll still end up looking pretty sick. We'll get them cleaned up, sandblasted, try to get all this paint, old paint out of there. Then we'll give it some paint, give it some clear coat.
Now that we've realized our mix up, we're gonna move on to the exhaust. All right, so looks pretty straightforward. We're just gonna sawzall right here. And then the brackets are the exact same on the old ones as the new ones. Should be able to just bolt it right up.
What do you got there, Kyle?
We got our Flowtech exhaust. Very easy install.
Right? That's what I said.
Oh,
There you go. Yep.
Boom.
Just like that, done.
Just like that. First upgrade. All right, so Jose and I got the exhaust on. It's looking sick. He had a dip for the day, but huge shout out to Jose for coming in and helping me out. Bada bing, bada boom. Exhaust is on. Looking good for the day, but need to get a lot more work done. I could use a little help, but I don't think there's anybody here right now.
Kiki! Yo, what's up, Kyle?
It's Vince.
Hey, how's it going?
We're gonna fix that misfire today once and for all.
Sure.
So one thing that I noticed from the first video, there were a lot of comments on how I put these tires on backwards. Do you notice?
Let's see.
Like, does that look normal?
What? It says outside.
Yeah, okay.
What's wrong with that? What's wrong with them?
There's something wrong with them. It's the way the teeth are going.
Oh! Yeah, that's fine. It'll still roll, right?
Yeah. Thank you guys though for commenting and letting me know.
Yeah, thank you, gentlemen and ladies.
Now that I got Vince here, we're gonna attack the OptiSpark because I know he's the OptiSpark guy.
Yeah, I'm OptiSparked out.
We did that before on bonus channel, but we have a better version, the MSD.
Right.
With the bonus channel episodes. Our diagnosis is that the wires, plug wires,
Yes.
are no bueno.
Correct. Did you get some?
I got some MSD plug wires right there.
Sweet.
Please tell me these are right.
They're right, Kyle.
Because it says even on here, Chevy Corvette LT1.
Perfect.
That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
So cool beans, why don't we lower this thing? We'll flip the hood up and we'll go from there.
Ta-da! There's the old one.
Oh wow, look at that. What in tarnation?
You like that?
What is that?
So this is gonna hold the crank pulley while I loosen the bolts on it. You guys saw the other episode, we just stuck the wrench on there and hit the starter. It broke my wrench, but we got it off. It just broke my step-on wrench.
We're looking pretty good. Got the water pump off.
Mm-hmm.
Just gotta get the crank pulley and then
And then we get to the OptiSpark.
OptiSpark.
Yay. Oh, there we go.
Oh, did you think it was too small?
Yeah. A lot easier, huh?
Dude, that is cool.
Yeah.
What all ones do I need? I need to take off these two.
Well, let me see something.
Is that gonna work? The wrong one? Please don't tell me it's the wrong one. All right, bud. So what we realized today is our connector, OptiSpark, is not correct.
Look at that. But also, look at this. So this is the old connector for the OptiSpark. I bet that's where our misfire is coming from, huh? Doesn't look so hot.
We found a guy on eBay who makes a connector that goes into this to go into
The other end of this.
Yeah.
So basically, it will replace this.
Okay. The way that we want to do this is we want to change out the OptiSpark and move our way forward. And the last thing is do the radiator. So right now there's not really any point for us to throw it back together because we got some
Just
things
do
to
it
do.
again. Yeah.
We'll just do it again. So
So is that a wrap? That's a wrap
for today.
today.
Today we're really stoked to announce that we finally have children's gear. That's right, lace your kid up in the flyest, hardest automotive gear on the planet. You ever walk around a car meet with your kid thinking to yourself, well, my kid looks like a nerd. Well, no more, because now Hoonigan is outfitting kids. Do you have a child? Is your child not an honor student? Are you a child looking after children? Do you have your mom's credit card available? You tired of having to lug your life through JC Nordstrom's to buy whack-ass children's gear? Save valuable wrench time on that shitbox by simply shopping for your kids at our website. It's a hell of a lot better than getting solicited by phone cover case salespeople at kiosk. What is a kiosk anyway? Why do they exist? Who the hell even buys that shit? Anyway, youth gear, available at Hoonigan.com. Get yours today.
What's going
Hey Kyle, what's going on staff inspection today?
Well, we got some parts. Got a new fuel filter. Excuse me.
That's a pump.
Yeah, we got a new fuel filter.
We do got a new fuel filter. It's just right, it's
so I
right
was
here.
looking at that. Yeah, so today I'm gonna focus on these two things, which I'm gonna knock out right now. Zach said he might come out here and help out a little bit. I don't know what you guys are up to.
I'll help you.
Yeah, let's do it.
Literally watching paint dry right now.
We are watching paint dry on a secret project. So yeah, let's get to it.
All right. What's going on under there, bud? What you doing?
Trying to take this fuel filter off.
Yeah? Got a crow's foot? I asked you guys, where's the crow's foot at?
We ain't got none.
I was watching a YouTube video and they said you need a crow's foot. So this might be a pain in the ass. Getting in from over here, it's gonna be okay, but getting in from the other side is gonna be a mission. So maybe I'll grab you for that. I'll try it. See, we were giving Kyle a little bit of shit for using the YouTube video to make a YouTube video, but I'd be lying if I didn't do the same thing.
What's up, Dan? Corvette man now, huh?
Fuel filter's really difficult to get to without crow's foot.
Really?
Yeah. So, like the problem I'm having right now, if I try and loosen the top one, it bends and flexes the whole line, and I can't hold it still. But there's a captive nut on there that I could hold still.
Well, then while Dan's doing the filter, what are you doing back here?
I'll start on the fuel pump.
Okay. Hey!
At the cost of maybe 3 knuckles.
It says new fuel filter. It's already got its nuts welded into it. So I take it the lines just have like a male threaded.
Yeah, there's a male thread that goes into there. However, the catalytic converter sits right here.
That's smart.
You can like take a wrench like this, drill a hole through it, and put an extension on it and weld it to it, and then you made yourself a crow's foot. So you can use the extension then as a ratchet.
Nice. Watch yourself.
Just
I'm at your head, not the gas.
We'll let that leak out a little bit.
All right guys, another day on the Corvette build. Today we're gonna focus on basic maintenance. So if you take a look at the table here, we have some oil. We have a new oil filter. I know we should have an AC Delco filter, all you Corvette guys, but just pretend this blue one is AC Delco. We have some tranny fluid and we have a new tranny filter. We're just gonna focus on doing the basic stuff to get this thing running how it should be. And who do I have to help me today? None other than Mr. Zachary Mertens.
Doing Corvette stuff today. Let's go, baby. Basic maintenance, fluids, filters, maybe even some spark plugs and injectors too if we're feeling frisky.
Zach came in here, immediately swapped the wheels that were on backwards. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey man, it's people helping people. Oh yeah. It's not a good sign when the oil is this gnarly looking. Oh yeah, wow. Quick. Things you don't like to see are large chunks of miscellaneous whatever. So I mean, you can see right around the magnet all the little like metal debris and stuff like that was in there. So we're gonna dump this out into our recycled fluids container and then get it all cleaned out before sticking it back on, because no sense in having metal shavings in your shit if you don't have to. This is the filter that you can see just how it's definitely like it's seen some shit. I mean, this is all metal. Clean it up, it'll be running better.
Yeah, well.
All right, so per the instructions from this kit, it says to apply a little bit of grease and not use like cements or sealants or anything. Never really put grease on a gasketed surface before, but that's what the instructions say. Then, by God, that's what we're gonna do because we're trying to play by the rules here.
Looking good. Throw it back on.
Yep. Oh yeah! Pan's back on. Looks so clean even though we've been pawing it up with our grubby hands and stuff.
It's time to torque it.
That's right. So torque sequence on these. You always want to start from like the middle and work your way across in a zigzag pattern, kind of like you would on a wheel. And it's just basically like, it's probably like 18 foot-pounds if I'm not mistaken.
It feels like 18.
Star pattern, torque them down, and then remember to fill it. Oh yeah, buddy.
No oil.
Yeah, that's smart.
There is something else I wanted to show you that just came in today that I want to take care of on the next episode.
I'm trying to help you, man.
Ooh, damn, bro. Okay. Okay.
See, the way you use this, so you grab these, and you put them on here. I don't know how to do this. And then turn that shit all the way down. You can get that hot boy right height.
Yeah. Slam it all the way to the ground. These are QA1 boys.
These are actually Vansteel. Vansteel uses QA1 shocks, and then it's Vansteel coilovers.
Hell yeah. So suspension next episode?
Next episode. Yo, I want to thank you for your help today, man.
No doubt.
Appreciate you coming in, teaching me some stuff. So, thank you.
Kiki.
Hey guys, Kyle here. Working on the vat. What are we doing today?